How to download videos from an IROAD X11 to an iPhone. I'm Ben from Safe Drive Solutions, your dashcam specialists. If you're here looking to see how you pair your phone, your iPhone, to an IROAD X11, look up top here. This is going to be the link to the video that will help you out for that. Now for this video, we're going to be talking about how to download videos from an IROAD X11 to an iPhone. You need to make sure that you have this app here. You'll see it's red. This should be the app that you have here on your phone. Now, let's move along. So first things first, we actually have the screen up. You can see a picture of the IROAD X11 or a picture of a dash camera there. And you want to click on Recording List. Now, when you click on Recording List, it's going to give you three options. Those three options are going to be normal, impact, or manual. And depending on the firmware that you have, it may say normal, event, or manual. Now, normal is all your normal recordings. Impact or event, that is going to be any impacts that happen or any motion detection recordings that happen during parking mode. And then manual recording will be if you push the manual recording button on the X11, that's where those videos will end up. Now, let's go down here to normal. We got quite a few videos, so we'll see if I can find one that actually has. So that one just has The Office. Nothing too exciting. So if I want to download the video, as you can see here, you just hit the bottom left corner there. Do I want to download a video clip? And then it's asking me, do you want to include audio? Yes or no. So if you said something you shouldn't have, you might want to download it without audio. But anyways, we're just going to download it right there. Usually takes about 30 seconds to a minute on average. So there we go. Video is downloaded. Would you like to add to photos? Okay. So now we're going to back out of here. You can see we're in photos, and there you go. It's downloaded directly to your photos in your phone. If you have any questions about this, feel free to leave your comments down below. We are here to help. Please also don't forget to like and subscribe. We appreciate all the support everybody's been giving the channel. And thanks again. Cheers.